Ever wonder how some travelers move through airports like pros while others struggle? Today, we're revealing 20 ultimate travel essentials on Amazon for hassle-free trips. Smart, upgraded, and surprisingly futuristic finds designed to make every journey smoother. From space-saving gear to clever gadgets that solve real travel headaches, these essentials help you travel lighter, faster, and smarter. Stick around till the end, because a few of these upgrades can completely change how you travel. Number 1. Zuihug Travel Pill Organizer. Forget messy pill bottles while traveling with the Zuihug Travel Pill Organizer. Compact yet spacious, it keeps daily medications neatly separated and easy to access on the go. Secure locking lids prevent spills inside bags, while the slim design fits pockets, purses, or carry-ons effortlessly. Perfect for flights, road trips, or daily routines, it saves time and stress. Click the link in the description now to stay organized and travel confidently without missing a dose. Number 2. COSLUS Mini Travel Water Flosser. Maintain dental hygiene anywhere with the COSLUS Mini Travel Water Flosser. Powerful yet compact, it removes food particles and plaque better than traditional flossing. USB rechargeable design makes it perfect for hotels, camping, or long trips. Lightweight and leak-proof, it fits easily in travel bags without a mess. Ideal for travelers who value fresh breath and healthy gums. Click the link in the description now to enjoy professional-level oral care wherever your journey takes you. Number 3. Mrsdry TS. A travel bottles. Avoid airport hassles with Mrsdry TS-A travel bottles. These leak-proof, refillable bottles keep shampoo, lotion, and skincare secure inside your carry-on. Soft silicone design allows easy squeezing without spills, while clear labels help with quick identification. TSA-approved sizes ensure smooth security checks every time. Perfect for frequent travelers and weekend trips alike. Click the link in the description now to travel smarter and keep your liquids organized without messy accidents. Number 4. Travoce TSA Travel Locks. Protect your belongings with Travoce TSA Travel Locks. Built strong yet lightweight, these locks keep luggage secure while allowing TSA inspections without damage. Easy-to-set combination design removes the need for keys, making travel stress-free. Ideal for suitcases, backpacks, or gym bags, they add peace of mind wherever you go. Click the link in the description now to secure your bags confidently and enjoy safer, worry-free travel every step of the way. Number 5. FYY Travel Cable Organizer. Say goodbye to tangled cords with the FYY Travel Cable Organizer. Designed with multiple elastic slots and zippered pockets, it neatly stores chargers, earbuds, power banks, and adapters. Compact yet spacious, it fits easily into backpacks or carry-ons. Durable material protects electronics from damage during travel. Perfect for tech-heavy travelers and business trips. Click the link in the description now to keep your cables organized and travel without digital chaos. Number 6. Macally Adjustable Car Cup Tray. Upgrade road trips with the Macally Adjustable Car Cup Tray. It instantly adds extra cup holders and a stable surface for snacks or phones. Adjustable height and rotating tray fit most vehicles comfortably. Perfect for long drives, rideshare drivers, or family travel. It keeps essentials within reach. Durable construction ensures long-lasting use. Click the link in the description now to make every drive cleaner, easier, and far more comfortable. Number 7. BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. Pack more with less effort using BAGAIL Compression Packing Cubes. These smart organizers compress clothing to save suitcase space while keeping items neatly separated. Durable zippers and breathable fabric protect clothes from wrinkles and odors. Perfect for long trips, carry-ons, or organized packing. Travelers love how much space they save instantly. Click the link in the description now to pack efficiently and enjoy stress-free, clutter-free travel every single time. Number 8. Carson MicroMini Pocket Microscope. Explore details anywhere with the Carson MicroMini Pocket Microscope. Lightweight and compact, it lets you examine objects, textures, or tiny details instantly while traveling. Perfect for curious travelers, kids, or outdoor adventures, it delivers clear magnification without bulky equipment. Fits easily into pockets or backpacks. Fun, educational, and surprisingly powerful. Click the link in the description now to bring curiosity and discovery into every trip you take. Number 9. Multi-charging cable. Simplify charging with one multi-charging cable for all your devices. Designed with multiple connectors, it powers phones, tablets, earbuds, and more using a single cord. Compact and durable, it reduces clutter inside bags and outlets. Perfect for travel, airports, and shared spaces. Saves time and frustration instantly. Click the link in the description now to travel lighter, charge smarter, and stay powered without carrying multiple cables everywhere you go. Number 10. Saunana Mini Portable Humidifier. humidifier. Stay comfortable anywhere with the Saunana Mini Portable Humidifier. It adds moisture to dry hotel rooms, airplanes, or offices, helping reduce dry skin and congestion. USB-powered and ultra-quiet, it's perfect for overnight use or long trips. Compact design fits easily into luggage or backpacks, ideal for frequent travelers and winter trips. Click the link in the description now to breathe easier and sleep better wherever you travel. Number 11. Fitdom Hanging Toiletry Bag. Stay organized wherever you travel with the Fitdom Hanging Toiletry Bag. Multiple compartments keep toiletries, skincare, and grooming essentials neatly separated and easy to access. Built-in hook allows hanging in hotel bathrooms or small spaces, saving counter space instantly. Durable, water-resistant material prevents leaks and messes. Ideal for long trips or daily use. Click the link in the description now to pack smarter and keep all your essentials perfectly organized on every trip. Number 12. YAGHVEO Airplane Phone Holder. Enjoy hands-free entertainment with the YAGHVEO Airplane Phone Holder. Easily clips onto tray tables or luggage handles, holding your phone at the perfect viewing angle. Lightweight, foldable, and sturdy, it's perfect for flights, trains, or waiting lounges. Compatible with most smartphones, it reduces hand fatigue during long trips. Click the link in the description now to travel more comfortably and enjoy movies or videos without holding your phone non-stop. Number 13. Zelarca Electric Hot Pot. Cook warm meals anywhere with the Zelarca Electric Hot Pot. Compact yet powerful, it boils, steams, and heats food effortlessly in hotels or dorms. Perfect for noodles, soup, oatmeal, or quick meals while traveling. Easy to clean and safe to use, yet it saves money on dining out. Ideal for long stays or budget travelers. Click the link in the description now to enjoy hot, homemade meals wherever you go. Number 14. AUCOO Travel Electric. Kettle. Never worry about hot water again with the AUCOO Travel Electric Kettle. Lightweight and portable, it heats water quickly for coffee, tea, or instant meals. Designed for travelers, it fits easily into luggage and works safely in hotel rooms. Durable construction ensures long-term use. Perfect for international trips or camping. Click the link in the description now to enjoy hot drinks anytime without relying on hotel appliances. Number 15. LISEN Airplane Phone Holder. Light upgrade travel comfort with the LISEN Airplane Phone Holder Light, and it securely holds your phone while offering soft lighting for nighttime viewing. Perfect for flights, trains, or late-night travel. It reduces eye strain and improves comfort. Compact and easy to attach, it fits most devices and tray tables. Click the link in the description now to enjoy hands-free entertainment and gentle lighting during every journey. Number 16. Nicedae Travel Mouthwash Packets. Freshen up instantly with Nicedae Travel Mouthwash Packets. Individually packed and TSA friendly, they're perfect for flights, meetings, or long travel days. No bulky bottles or leaks, just quick, clean freshness anytime. Easy to carry in pockets, bags, or purses, they're ideal for travelers who value hygiene. Click the link in the description now to stay confident and fresh on every trip without extra weight or mess. Number 17. SoMine Airplane Seat Organizer. Keep essentials within reach using the SoMine Airplane Seat Organizer. Multiple pockets hold phones, snacks, chargers, and travel documents neatly during flights. Easy to install and remove, it keeps your space clutter-free and organized. Durable fabric ensures long-lasting use on frequent trips. Ideal for long-haul flights and families. Click the link in the description now to enjoy organized, stress-free travel without digging through bags mid-flight. Number 18. Luxabel Digital Luggage Scale. Avoid overweight luggage fees with the Luxabel Digital Luggage Scale. Accurate, lightweight, and easy to use, it instantly shows suitcase weight before heading to the airport. Compact design fits in carry-ons or backpacks. Durable construction ensures reliable readings every time. Perfect for frequent travelers or international trips. Click the link in the description now to pack confidently and eliminate surprise baggage fees forever. Number 19. Quadish Travel Utensils. Eat comfortably anywhere with the Quadish Travel Utensils Set. Compact, reusable, and durable. It includes everything needed for meals on the go. Perfect for flights, road trips, camping, or takeout. It reduces waste while staying hygienic. Easy to clean and store, it fits effortlessly in bags. Click the link in the description now to enjoy clean, convenient dining wherever your travels take you. And I know why. Number 20. Coleman Mini First Aid Kit. Be prepared anywhere with the Coleman Mini First Aid Kit. Compact yet fully stocked, it includes essentials for minor cuts, scrapes, and emergencies. Durable case protects supplies while fitting easily in backpacks or suitcases. Ideal for travel, camping, or road trips, it offers peace of mind instantly. Click the link in the description now to travel confidently, knowing safety essentials are always within reach. That wraps up our list of travel essentials designed to make every trip smoother, safer, and more enjoyable. Click the links below, grab your favorites now, and travel smarter on your next adventure.